morning students, welcome to Adarsh Vidyalaya Max online class. Today the chapter is Algebra, continue exercise 3.1. Question number 9. Multiply the following polynomials and find the degree of the resultant polynomial. First one, p of x equal to x square minus 9 and q of x equal to 6x plus 7x minus 2. Now you see the question is multiply the following polynomial and find the resultant of degree of the resultant polynomial. Can you understand the question? Okay. Solution: p of x is x square minus 9, q of x is 6x square plus 7x minus 2. Multiply then means that is p of x into q of x, that equal to x square minus 9 into 6x square plus 7x minus 2. Now take one polynomial. First number is first term is x square. So x square into 6x square. 1 into 6 6. X square into x square, that equal to x square into 6x square. Next x square into 7x minus x square into minus 2 minus 9 into 6x square minus 9 into 7x minus 9 into minus 2, that equal to x square into x square. We adding the power, therefore 2 plus 2 4, that equal to 6x power 4 plus 7x into x square into x, that is power 1, therefore 2 plus 1 3 plus 7x cube plus into minus 2x square minus 9 6 are 54x square minus 9 into 7 63x minus into minus plus 18, that equal to simplify the polynomial 6x power 4 only one term, therefore 6x power 4, 7x cube, that is only one term, x cube term, therefore plus 7x cube minus x square term is we have 2x square term, therefore minus 2x square minus 5x square. We adding the value, that is minus 56x square minus 63 times only 1, therefore minus 63x plus 18, that equal to 6x power 4 plus 7x cube minus 56x square minus 63x plus 18. Here variable is x. How many power of x? That equal to maximum power, highest power is 4, therefore the degree of the resultant polynomial is 4. Can you understand? Okay. Second question, f of x equal to 7x plus 2 and g of x equal to 15x minus 9. Solution: we multiply f of x into g of x, that equal to 7x plus 2 into 15x minus 9, that equal to 7x into 15x plus 7x into minus 9 plus 2 into 15x plus 2 into minus 9. 7 into 15, that equal to 105 x into x square minus plus into minus minus 7 9s are minus 63 into x plus 215, 2 into 15 30x, 2 into minus 9 minus 18, that equal to simplify the polynomial 105x square minus 63x plus 30x, that equal to we get minus 33x, constant is minus 18, that equal to the multiply the value is f of x into g of x equal to 105x square minus 33x minus 18. Therefore here what is the variable is x, therefore highest degree power is x power 2, that is 2 is the highest power, that equal to degree of the resultant polynomial is 2. Can you understand? Okay. third one, h of x equal to 6x square minus 7x plus 1 and f of x equal to 5x minus 7. Solution, multiply the value, therefore h of x into f of x equal to 6x square minus 7x plus 1 into 5x minus 7. Multiply each term by the second polynomial. First term is 6x square into 5x plus 6x square into minus 7. The second term is minus 7 into 5x minus 7 into minus 7. The third term is 1 into 5x plus 1 into minus 7. Multiply the value, 6 into 5 30, x square into x cube minus plus into minus minus 6 into 7 42 x square minus 7 into 5 35 x into x square minus into minus plus 7 into 7 49 x plus 1 5 are 5 minus 1 into 7 minus 7, that equal to, simplify the polynomial, x cube term is only one term, therefore 30 x cube minus x square term, we have 2x square term, first one minus 42 x square minus 35 x square. We have same sign, therefore we add the two value, minus 42 minus 35, that equal to minus 77 x square plus 49x plus 5x, that is x term 2 term, same sign, therefore we add the value. What is the answer is 49x plus 5x, that equal to 54x minus the constant term is only one term, that equal to minus 7. Therefore here variable is x. What is the degree is? Yes, that is a 3. Degree of the resultant polynomial equal to 3. Next, 10th question. The cost of a chocolate is rupees x plus y and Amir bought x plus y chocolates. Find the total amount paid by him in terms of x and y. If x equal to 10, y equal to 10, find the amount paid by him. Can you understand the question? The chocolate cost is rupees x plus y. Amir bought x plus y chocolates. Find the amount paid by him in terms of x and y. We find the value of x and y. We given the value is x equal to 10, y equal to 5, and find the amount paid by him. Solution, in order to find the total amount paid by him, we have to multiply the cost of one chocolate by the number of chocolates he buy. First cost of one chocolate is x plus y. So therefore number of chocolates he buy, that equal to also x plus y. The total amount is 1 in the cost, one cost into number of chocolates, that equal to x plus y into x plus y. Therefore that equal to a plus b into a plus b. Therefore a plus b the whole square, that is equation number 1. I will explain the equation. A plus b x plus y the whole square, a square x square plus 2ab, 2 into x into y, a value is x, b value is y. Okay, therefore y equal b equal to y means that is plus b square y square, that equal to x plus y the whole square equal to x square plus 2xy plus y square, that is a total amount. Okay, therefore total amount by him, that is a first one. Now we'll substitute the applying the value of x and y, we get what is x value is, yes, that is 10, and y value is 5. Substitute the value x plus y the whole square, that equal to x value is 10 plus 5 the whole square, that equal to 10 plus 5, what is answer is 15. Therefore 15 square, 15 into 15, that equal to 2 to 5. Therefore hence he has to pay rupees 225. Okay, Can you understand? Okay. 11th one, the length of a rectangle is 3x plus 2. The length of the rectangle is 3x plus 2 units and its breadth is 3x minus 2 units. Its breadth is 3x minus 2 units. Find its area in terms of x. That is the find its area in terms of x. What will be the area if x equal to 20 units? The given value x equal to 20 units mean, therefore then find the what will be the area. This is the rectangle. Therefore what is rectangle formula? L into b. Here L equal to rectangle length equal to 3x plus 2 and its breadth equal to 3x minus 2 units. Therefore we given that the x value equal to 20. Now find the what will be the area of the rectangle. Can you understand the question? Given that length and breadth is given and also x equal to 20 units, then find the what will be the area in terms of x. Solution: length of the rectangle equal to 3x plus 2. Given value length of the rectangle equal to 3x plus 2 and breadth of the rectangle equal to 3x minus 2. Then area of rectangle that equal to, what is the formula? L into b square units. L means length, b means breadth. What is L value? 3x plus 2. B value is 3x minus 2. Therefore area of rectangle equal to 3x plus 2 into 3x minus 2. Now multiply the two value to polynomial. First 3x into 3x, 3 into 3 9, x into x square. Next minus 2 into 3x, next term 3x into minus 2. So 2 into 3 minus 6x plus the second term is 2. Therefore 2 into 3x that equal to 6x plus 2 into minus 2 that equal to minus 4. Now minus 6x and plus 6x is cancelled. The remaining answer is 9x square minus 4. That is area of the rectangle equal to 9x square minus 4. Can you understand? Okay. If what is the x value given? X equal to 20. If x equal to, substitute x equal to 20 means substitute in area of triangle, rectangle. Therefore what is area of rectangle equal to 9x square minus 4. We substitute x equal to 20. Therefore 920 the whole square minus 4 that equal to 9 into, what is answer of 20 square? 20 into 20. That is, yes, that is 400 minus 4 that equal to, now multiple 9 into 400. What is answer? 9 4s are, yes, that is 36. So 3600 minus 4 that equal to, now subtract the value. What is answer is, yes, that is 3596, 3596 centimeter square or units, square units. Okay, area of rectangle that equal to 3596. Can you understand? Okay. 12th question, p of x is a polynomial of degree 1 and q of x is a polynomial of degree 2. That is the question is, p of x any polynomial, the degree is 1. Therefore we take any one x, y, z, any one, that is with degree is 1. And q of x is polynomial of degree 2. That means we take any polynomial x square, y square. What kind of the polynomial p of x into q of x is? Okay, can you understand the question? P of x is polynomial of degree 1 and q of x is polynomial of degree 2. That means that is first x1 x, second polynomial is x square. What kind of polynomial p of x into q of x is? Okay, therefore solution, the first value is degree of the polynomial p of x is 1 given value. The second given value is degree of the polynomial q of x is 2. Then find, what is the find out value? P p of x into q of x. Therefore, product of polynomial 1 into polynomial p of x into q of x equal to variable same means we add the power, therefore x power 1 into x power 2, that means 2 plus 1 that equal to 3. Therefore the product of polynomial is 3. Hence 3 means, what is the type of polynomial? Degree 3 means, that is degree 0 means constant polynomial, degree 1 means linear polynomial, degree 2 means quadratic polynomial, degree 3 means, what is the polynomial? Cubic polynomial. Therefore hence it is a cubic polynomial. Can you understand? Okay, thank you. We will see you next class.